How to enable mic on the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can enable the mic in your Roblox games. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Roblox account, and after login here you have to click on the gear icon to go on the settings. So now once you are in the Roblox settings, here you have to go on the account info, and here you have to scroll down. Now once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of the birthday, you have to simply select it, and from here you have to add your birthday, and as you can see that here is the option of the verify my age, you have to simply click on it, because to enable the mic you have to enable your birthday, and after that here you have to enable this, and after enabling this your age you have to go on the privacy, and here is the option of the enable your voice chat, you just have to simply click on it, and from there you are able to get the enable mic on the Roblox. So that's how you can get the enable mic on the Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.